Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 13th chapter surface area and volume. Already I have completed 6 exercise. In the 7th exercise, I will continue with the 4th sum. If the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 cm is 48 pi centimeter cube, find the diameter of its base. So here volume is given and height is given for a right circular cone. We are asked to find the diameter of the base. So we will find radius first, then we will find the diameter of that. So volume is equal, first one height is given. So height is equal to 9 centimeter and volume is equal to 48 pi centimeter cube. So we know that for a volume of a right circular cone, formula is 1 by 3 pi r squared h. So 1 by 3 pi r squared h is equal to 48 pi. We will simplify this. Height is given as 9 centimeter. So in this 1 by 3 pi into r squared into height is given as 9 is equal to 48 pi. So here pi will get cancelled, pi and pi will get cancelled. Then 3 3's are 9. So r squared is equal to 48 by 3. So r squared is equal to 3 1's are 3, 3 6's are 18. So r radius is equal to root 16, that is equal to 4 centimeter. So we got radius as 4 centimeter. We are asked to find the diameter of the base. So diameter of the base is equal to diameter of its base is equal to 2 into r, 2 times of radius. So 2 into r is 4. So 2 4's are 8 centimeter. So that is the diameter of the base. This sum is a conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is its capacity in kiloliters? So there is a pit. The pit is in the shape of a cone. For that diameter is given as 3.5 meter. Diameter is equal to 3.5 meter. So radius of that is 3.5 by 2 meter. And then deep. So height is given as 12 meter. So capacity we are asked to find. First we will find the volume of that. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r squared h. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. Height is given as 12 meters. So when we simplify this, 7 5's are 35, so 0.5. Then 2 6's are 12, 2 3's are 6, 3 1's are 3. So when we multiply this, 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. So this is equal to 22 into 5 is 110. So the decimal point will be removed into 3.5. So we get 385. So one decimal point is 38.5 meter cube. 38.5 meter cube. So we know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliters. So we are asked to find the capacity in kiloliters. So capacity of conical pit is 38.5 kiloliters. 38.5 kiloliters. Next sum is the volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, find its height, slant height and CSA of cone. So here volume is given and the diameter of the base is given as 28 centimeter. So diameter is 28 centimeter. So radius is equal to 28 by 2, that is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, then volume is given as, volume of the right circular cone is given as 9856. We know that volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r squared h, that is equal to 9856. So this is 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 14 into 14, height we need to find. So h is equal to 9856 into h is equal to 9856. Now we will simplify this. So this is h is equal to 9856 into 3 into 7, that will go to the numerator, and in the denominator we have 22 into 14 into 14. So this we will simplify now. So 7 2s are 14, and then this one, all these things we will simplify now. We will check that 9856 whether it is divisible by 22. So 22, 4 times it is 88. So 105, 5 times it is 110 will come. So only 4 times we will check whether it is going. So then 4 2s are only 88 will come. So the remainder is 17. We will bring that 6 down. Then 6 times it won't be going. 6 2s are 12. 8 times. Yes. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17. So 22 448 times is 9856. 9856. Then this 2 is also there. That also we will simplify. 2 1 times. Then this one will be 2 2 4. So this one we will check whether it is going in. That is 224 into 3 divided by 14. So this one 2 7s are, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 112. Then 112 divided by 7. 7 1 times 7. Balance is 4. 42. 7 6 are 42. So 7 16 times it is 112. So 16 into 3. So 6 3s are 18. 48 centimeter is the height of the right circular cone with the given volume. So h is equal to 48 centimeter. So first thing is we are asked to find the height. So after doing simplification we got the height as 48 centimeter. So first one is over. Then second one is slant height we are asked to find. L we are asked to find. So for finding L, so if we take a right circular cone like this, L we are asked to find, height is given and then the radius is given. So L is the hypotenuse side. So L squared is equal to h squared plus r squared. So L is equal to root of h squared plus r squared. So height we got it as 48. So 48 squared plus radius is 14 squared. So we will simplify this. 48 into 48 is 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32 plus 6 38. 8 4s are 32 3. 4 4s are 16 19. So 4 10 2304 2304 plus 14 into 14. 4 4s are 16 56. So 196 plus 196. So root of 2304 plus 196. So we will get 10 10 5 2500. 2000 root 2500 is 50. 50 into 50 is 2500. So we got slant height as 50 centimeter. So height is 48 centimeter and the second one is slant height. Slant height is 50 centimeter. Then CSA of the cone. So third one is CSA of the cone is, we know that pi RL is the formula we will be using. So that is equal to 22 by 7 into radius is 14 into slant height is 50. So 7 2 times 14. So 50 into 2 is 22 into 50 into 2 is 100. So it is 2200 centimeter square. So that is the curved surface area of the cone. So we are asked CSA. So we are asked to find height. So height we got it as 48 centimeters. Slant height, that is 50 centimeter, and CSA of the cone is 2200 centimeter square. Okay, so with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, message me in the comment box. Thank you.